Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I've stood on a point of information. Honourable Member, I was trying to inform Honourable Member Ishmael. The Constitution is very clear. Which department is allowed? Which department is allowed by the Constitution to investigate? The only institution which is allowed to investigate is the police department, and also that is the DCI, and the DCI, that is the DCC, and also the anti-corruption. So the issue of saying GSU is has come in to investigate something that is in order, that is not in order. You are just misreading the. You are, yes, that's what I'm saying. That you said GSU, and that is I'm trying to inform you. GSU is not allowed to investigate.
Order.
It's not a department to investigate.
Honorable, on that order.
Be informed.
Honorable members, kindly don't make me to apply Standing Order 104, where an honorable member creates disorder in the house. No, honorable leader. I am the speaker. He's even sitting in the floor. So he may have his own problem. So, honorable members, Honorable Sioja, point of order. No, it's okay. So, proceed.